Is your Vauxhall Zafira's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the door latch switches and the interior sensor. Start by inspecting each door latch switch for corrosion or misalignment. Use a multimeter to test switch continuity. It should read 0 ohms when the door is closed. For the interior sensor, try reducing its sensitivity, as vibrations or even pets can set it off. Newer Zafira models might allow sensor calibration via smartphone apps like Torque or Vauxhall's My Vauxhall using an OBD2 scanner. Remember, this issue is common in Zafiras built between 1999 and 2019, particularly due to corrosion in European climates. Addressing these components directly resolves the issue in most cases. Once you've identified the faulty component, replacement is often the easiest solution. Door latch switches can be found on platforms like eBay or AutoZone for around 10 to 50 pounds. After replacing the switch or adjusting the sensor, you'll likely need to reset the alarm system. This usually involves cycling the ignition or using the key fob to clear any error codes. If you have access to an OBD2 scanner, you can clear DTC's diagnostic trouble codes like B1234, which often indicates a sensor fault. Lubricating the latch switch with dielectric grease can also prevent future corrosion. Regular cleaning of contacts and avoiding aftermarket modifications that interfere with the ECU can further prevent false alarms.